Hiccups sound funny, but do you know what's really happening inside you? Your diaphragm, the muscle that keeps you alive by making you breathe, suddenly glitches like a broken machine. That glitch shoves air upward so fast your vocal cords slam shut, making that helpless hic noise you can't control. They can be triggered by eating too fast, gulping soda, or just your stomach stretching like a balloon. And here's the crazy part. Hiccups don't help you, don't protect you, they're just a useless bug in your body system. Nature gave us hiccups for absolutely no reason, like an error that never got fixed.